we'll guide you through how to transfer funds to your bank account from Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for the Payments tab on the left-hand side and click on it. This will show you a list of all your transactions. Now, to transfer funds, you'll need to navigate to the Balance tab, which is also on the left side menu. Click on Balance, and it will display your current available balance. You'll see a button that says Payout or Transfer to Bank. Click this button to start the transfer process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Make sure you enter the correct amount that you wish to transfer. Then, select the bank account you want the funds to be sent to. If you haven't added a bank account before, you can do so at this step by following the on-screen instructions to input your bank details. After selecting the bank account, you might see an option to schedule the transfer immediately or set it to happen at a later date. Choose the option that works best for you. Finally, review the details to make sure everything is correct, then confirm the transfer. Stripe usually processes these transfers quickly, but it might take a couple of business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. That's it. You've successfully transferred your funds from Stripe to your bank account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.